So I went and bought a new Greenworks 60 volt electric mini bike. These things were on sale at Tractor Supply. Normally $1,500, and they took $500 off the retail price to bring down $1,000. So pretty good deal. Pretty good deal. Pretty good deal. If I don't mind saying, pretty good deal. Let's see here. Let me go over a couple of things. It's got front and rear hydraulic disc brakes. It comes with two batteries with a dual charger. It only takes 90 minutes to charge these, and you get the run time. Doesn't specify the run time, but as far as the distance, it says 20 miles. There's an eco mode and a sport mode, which you select right here. Got an E for eco, S for sport. Eco goes 20 miles per hour, sport goes 25. What else you got? You got a horn. You got lights, like the running light, low beams, and you got your high beams. It's got a rear brake light. I already showed you the headlights, brake lights, side markers. Got reflectors here. Full suspension. These are not hydraulic or really dampening. Oh, they're just springs in there. I'm gonna later upgrade to something with some dampening. Front forks, they're nice and smooth. What else they got? They got big tires. This is 19 by 7 inch. So made by Greenworks here. So let's see what else is there. Yeah, I'll put the specs up on the screen there so you can see. And for now, let's just go take it for a ride. We'll check this out. Oh, another thing, it has Bluetooth right here. Got speakers for your Bluetooth on both sides. Boom. So, all right, let's go take it for a spin. Get on this. All right. So, let's put in sport mode. Put in drive. Here we go. Oh, to get going, right now it's in park. To have it ready, you're gonna hold both your brakes at the same time, and then it says ready right there. You can see that. And then I'm in drive. It tells you if you're in drive, how many miles you've gone, and the miles per hour. And it tells you when your high beam's on, when you're using your Bluetooth. I think that's about it. This thing is so quiet. You'll be stunned how quiet it is. Let's go. Let's do this. Tilt you up here. Oh, it's lumpy. Ooh, 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 ooh. Luckily, I have a big front yard. I can kind of let it open up, let it stretch its legs a little bit. Oh, whew. Yeah, that suspension's a little tough on the rear. A little tough on the derriere. It'll get up and go. So you don't hear any engine noise, it's just road noise. That's all you're hearing. Let's see if we're getting a good view. All right. Let's see here. Let's go down the street. see what top end we got going on here. Will it hit 25? Yeah. It hits 25. There we go. Have a holly jolly Christmas. Let's do another 25 mile per hour run. There we go. Like a lot of wind noise there. Yep, it's all. Yeah, definitely go 25. Alright, so it goes 25. Silent. Woo. Oh yeah. Here we go. This is not a small bike. I think it says it weighs like 125 pounds. This is not the mini bike. This is the larger of the mini bikes as far as the frame goes. Plenty of torque. Stealthy torque. Definitely a stealth bike. Alright. Let's go and hit the road a little more. It's got so much torque right off the line. It's a little jerky for me. Here we go. Go around the block. Around the block we're gonna go. Put my headlight on. See what we got going on here. Let's see here. Very stable. Very stable. That was one time around the block. Back to the front yard. Oh, springs to the tushy. Oh, it's okay. No pain, no gain, right? Oh, another safety feature of it. This bike will not allow you to hold the brake and hit the gas at the same time. So no burnouts. No burnouts. But see, watch this. See? And as soon as I let up, I can get going. No safety feature. Probably more for the novice rider. It might actually stab the brakes and the throttle at the same. Oh my gosh. So that was a nice 15-minute ride. Was able to test the off-road performance. Went over the drain field. I have a septic system, so the drain field, and it's just lumpy like that. Oh, it's lumpy. Ooh, 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 ooh. Right in the front, all through here. So that really puts the suspension to work. Really exercises it. Then around the neighborhood, as you can see, there's like no traffic. There's no cars on the road, so I was able to check the top end. Able to really see that top end going, you know, if it was truly going to be 25 miles an hour, and it was. So we got going on here. But I noticed, and you'll notice in the video, that if you go back to the video, you'll notice that it had trouble hitting the 25 mile per hour top speed, unlike the second run that I went on. It was at 24 miles an hour for most of the time. The weight limit of the bike is 220 pounds. I'm 205, so I'm getting, you know, I'm not at the limit, so it's probably just a battery thing, sure. So I'm sure that 25 mile per hour top speed is when the battery's at least, you know, 90% fully charged. So anywho, consecutively got 24 miles per hour after a little more run time on it, so I'm happy with it. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. And if you ever see these on sale and you want a bike that's super easy to ride, super quiet, and the reason I got it was because I wanted to go cruise around in the woods on my remote property I have, so like I can maybe sneak up on trespassers, or it'll be just nice to just ride around and hear the animals and not spook all the animals around you for you know. So maybe there's a good chance we actually can see something without spooking everything. Like on my four-wheeler, so loud, and you can't hear anything when you're riding that thing. When you're riding that, this is pretty awesome. This fits the bill for what I need. Something stealthy, something that can get you there in, you know, decent speed, can hold decent amount of weight, and has a full suspension. So that's pretty awesome. And it looks like we went 3 miles in that time. So there's our distance, 3 miles. There's the battery level so far. So pretty awesome. Anyway, and just to turn it off, simply push the power button. There you go. All right, I'm out. To the next one.